Greeting my viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to my channel Masakan Ibu Dewi. Masakan Ibu Dewi back again in action with a new recipe. It is called traditional Indian banana leaf rice with mutton varuval and a glass of Moru. But in this video, I will be showing you how to cook mutton varuval. Before I begin with the ingredients, please click like, subscribe and share. Now we continue with the ingredients. 1.5 kg local mutton, 4 potato cut into 4 pieces, 6 tablespoon curry powder, 2 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon mixed spices, ingredients that already pounded, four pieces dry chili, and 1 tablespoon tamarind paste. Take only the juice. Pour about 3 tablespoons of oil. Add in the pounded ingredients. I put 1 onion, 1 whole garlic, 1 inch ginger. You can make it easier as blend it, but to pound it can make the taste more better. And don't forget to add in curry leaf. Once it turns golden brown, add in the mixed spices. Like cinnamon, star anise, clove, cumin, cardamom, fenugreek, and sawi seed. Then we add in the mutton. Follow up with 1 tablespoon of salt and tamarind juice. Mix it again. We cover it up and cook in medium flame until the water comes out from the meat. Add in the curry powder and potato. Mix it well. And add extra water. Then let the meat and potato cook. We change the pot to a pan. Now stir fry the dry chili with a little bit of mixed spices and curry leaf. Then we put all the mutton into a pan. I only put 1.5 tablespoon, but if you like spicy, you can add extra chili powder. Mix them well. Let the curry to dry up. Every 2 minutes you have to stir it so it won't stick to the pan or burn. Once the curry dry up and cook, then we can turn off the flame. Okay friends, my mutton varuval is ready to be served. But I would like to serve my mutton varuval in traditional Indian banana leaf rice and a glass of Moru. I'm very sure you guys will like it. Hope you enjoy watching my video and please try it at home. Thank you for all my viewers and please watch my video until finish. Feel free to leave a comment below to know that my recipe is good, and don't forget to click like, subscribe and share my video to all your friends in social media and your family members. Bye bye and see you in next video.